Hello there, I'm Paul Trani, and in a previous video, I showed you how you can create a logo using Creative Cloud Express. Now I want to show you how you can go ahead and take that logo and turn it into a brand that can be applied to any social media, whatever the case may be. First off, we want to go to that original logo, and we want to create different versions of it. So we'll need an all-black logo that will go on white. We'll need an all-white logo that will go on black as well. So we want these different versions of this logo, and then we want to download these as PNG files with a transparent background. All right, from there we can dive into brands. I'm going to click on brands. This gets to be the fun part. I'm going to select create a brand. From here, we're going to go ahead and upload a logo. So we'll grab this first color version. We're going to pick a color. Of course, I'm going to go with that pink that I've used earlier. I love how it's actually archived to those colors. We'll choose some fonts. We're going to go, of course, with a script or cursive natural font for one, and then we'll click next. So we will give it a name, Cupcake Queen. And now this gets really fun because now we get to add all those lovely little specifics because we want to add more logos. So we want to go ahead and upload sort of the all black full logo and the all white one that's going to go on a dark background. So we want to have these choices as we start to apply them to social media posts or whatever the case may be. We have these different options available to us. We'll add more colors as well. So we'll go in here. And again, pink was that initial color. And also was using a gold. So drag this over, dip into that nice gold for the crown, and obviously adding more colors. Now, when you're adding colors, you want to typically make sure there's some color harmony, if you will. So all these colors are going to have the same sort of saturation of color. So there's my pink. So if I want to go with like more of a teal, yeah, I'll change the color, but it's going to have that same saturation or intensity. So that's where I'm getting that lovely teal. We'll click save. In here, we'll get, of course, a darker color as well. So even though it's potentially a teal like so, I'll actually kind of drag that down. And now we have two colors that are just complementary. And lastly, we're just going to drag this over and we're going to pick just a nice sort of yellowish cream color, right? So they're all very pastel-y. None of them are primary colors, if you will. They're all like secondary colors on the color wheel. Not to worry too much about that. They all have a nice harmony. We could always change that later. Now let's go into our fonts. We have our lovely script font, which is similar to the logo, right? But it's a little bit thicker, so it's going to be easier to read. As for the body, yeah, I want to match the body copy with the bakery font. So I'm making sure they match. And guess what? Yes, you can add more. I'm just going to jump in here. And at this point, notice how you have black italic for Lato as well. So you can add as many fonts as you want. All right, that looks good. That is our brand. So let's just go back, click on brands. Sure enough, here it is. But now this is the last thing we want to do. We want to come up here and we want to make it the default brand. That becomes very important as we start to make, say, an Instagram story. It's going to remember that brand. So if you do happen to pick any one of these, right? Any one of these templates off to the side, and you could see, say, design. Sure enough, here is my Cupcake Queen brand. So we can go ahead and click to apply that brand. Sure enough, you could see the logo right down there as well. So from there, you take it and modify it and dive into more of these modifications of this brand. But that's for another video. So stay tuned as we dive into applying this brand to a number of use cases. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you soon.